If you're an agency owner or a coach still paying for 5 different tools that don't actually talk to each other, this is the channel for you. The average agency or the average business I work with usually wastes between $400 to $800 a month on tools that GoHighLevel replaces for just $97. I'm Sean Malone. I'm not a developer. I'm a sales professional and an agency owner and a business owner 8 times actually, who figured out how to make GoHighLevel do all the prospecting and follow-up work for my businesses, multiple businesses. I've helped hundreds and actually thousands of others do the same thing, doing what most people do manually. And every week on this channel, I break down exactly how to set up GoHighLevel so that you can win, so you can close more deals. My job is to help you to grow your business through clientele and growth like that. I give away actual snapshots that I use for free, so you're not starting from absolute scratch. And in fact, before diving into anything else, grab the Closer's Blueprint Starter Snapshot. It's a pre-built GoHighLevel system, has a pipeline, a follow-up, a reputational management. It's ready to deploy in less than 10 minutes, and it'll give you exactly what you need to get started. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the weekly builds, and start with the videos below. It'll walk you through exactly the full GoHighLevel setup from scratch. See you on the inside.